Alright, so welcome back again to my video. So in this video we are going to talk about how to create ad account in the Facebook Business Manager account. So there is many different ad account. There is your personal account and the ad account from Business Manager account. So if you want to create the ad account from Business Manager account, you just have to scroll down on your left side and click on the Ads Manager. Alright, so on the first step, you can see that we just be redirected to the personal ad account. So this is the ad account of this Facebook account, and you might use this ad account as well. But if you have like more tools like Facebook Pixel, or you need someone to manage your advertisement, then you will have to create another account to your Business Manager account. So if you want to create another account to your Business Manager account, so scroll down and on your left side you might see All Tools. Click on All Tools and click on the Business Settings. Wait for a few seconds to load, and if you have many different business portfolios, so you might just have to choose which one you want to use. Or if you have one, you will just be redirected to the one that you have. So now I will have to choose the one that I want to use. So wait for a few seconds to load, and here we are in the business portfolio info. So this is our business portfolio information. So we have to go to the Business Manager account directory, click on Business Manager account and click on Business Manager settings. And here we are in the Business Manager settings. So this is where you can find all the tools that you need for your business. So if you want to create an account, you will have to scroll down and click on the accounts, and under the accounts you might just see the ad account. So here we are just going to create a new ad account for our Business Manager account. So just click on the add here, and you have access to add another account, an existing ad account, or you can request access to another account, or you can create your new ad account. So just click on the new ad account, and we are just going to rename our ad account here. You can rename your ad account like you want, and remember to change your time zone. So I'm going to choose Warsaw and here we'll have to choose the currency as well, Polish zloty. And after that, just click next. And here you just have to choose if this ad account will be used for your business or another business or client. So just choose your business if you want and click create. And on the next step here, you just have to select all and give access to your personal account as well, and click on the for manage ad account and click assign. And now you have successfully created another account. So this is how you create another account, and if you want, you can just click on the open in Ads Manager, and you can see how your ad account looks like now. So there is no more difference. So it is just the same as Ads Manager, only that it is just in the Business Manager account, and it can be accessed by social media managers if you will be adding some people to your ad account. So let's meet in the next video where I will show you how to add people to your Facebook Business Manager account. And thanks for watching. If you have any question, let me know that in the comment section.